All right, this is just a before of the tires. You can kind of see they're tilted in towards the top there. And supposedly putting the CC plates on will let me adjust them more. Also kind of want to get the before stance before I put the new shocks on. So honestly, I think it's sagged down and it was a little too low. Well, I got motivated and I actually started doing this and not filming it. But as you can see, the rod is progressing. Gonna have to do something about that soon. And yeah, so you want to take your strut out. You need 13/16 to get the strut to spindle bolts. Then up top, I think it was 3/4. Let's check. I don't know. 13/16, 3/4. It'll be different depending on what struts you have in there. You take them out. Ooh, it's fine. Taking the caster plates off. Appears that all these are 18 millimeters, so I'm going to do that now. Goodbye alignment. There went that. So your stock camber plates. Might want to clean that up a little bit while you're in here, or just leave it. Who knows? No mentions about camber plates. And filing that shit out. So get this smooth adjustment. This is what they mean. You want to file those holes until it can move smoothly. I call that good. If you get your stuff filed, you put washers over the 3 studs, spacers over the 3 studs. Then you install the plate, washers on the 3 studs, and then the nuts. Back in business. Suffering some heavy bullshit. These fucking strut bolts love to get stuck in these sockets, and that just adds time. Having to fucking unstick that shit. We're about ready to pull this strut out of here. Yeah, well, it's pretty simple. You just gotta. Oh my god. No. Okay, there we go. Oh, she's expanding. Alright. Come on. Lay that down right there. Junk. Gonna have to cut the zip tie off of this so we can reuse it. But this one, she's come a long way. She's come a long way. Right. So after you cut the fucking metal zip tie off, you want to rip this out of the top here. Yeah, let you blast that out with 18 millimeters. It's a good time to clean up the area. Did like some botchy shit work on this side because there's a little bit of surface rust. And yeah, at some point the whole bay will be getting painted once I do the repair on the strut tower. Side, it's looking like the slots need to be filed here and here, so we'll do that. Figure out what the fuck that is. Oh, charcoal canister bullshit line. Again, more filing. Nope. Probably better to do this with 2 hands. We're going to be doing this for a while. Yeah, one thing you're going to want to be careful of. Don't fucking file the brake line down. You asking for trouble. They don't tell you this in the manual, but when you're filing these, the fucking line is right below this hole here. So hopefully you notice before you file through. Clean that up while we're waiting for it to dry. You can start on the assembly of the strut plate. Oh Jesus. Oh shit. So step 1. Step 2. Step 3. This is the setup you're gonna want. You put your shit on the fender so you can reach it. And this comes up through here. Feed it evenly. That. And washers. Come on. Spacers. Then take the plate like that. More washers. And apply your nuts. And you're good to put your strut in. These, huge pain getting that in there, but it will go. A little bit of grease goes a long way. Yeah, you're supposed to put a zip tie there to kind of retain it, but I really doubt that's gonna go anywhere because of how tight of the fit it is. See, this one's already been repaired because cracked a long time ago, but that duct tape has been holding up over 10 years, I tell you what. Yeah, you want to combine these like so. Yep, push it down on there. Good. Next, I want to grab some of these spacers. Small one, big one. Leave that on there. Well, we had a disaster. Wasn't paying attention and I ruined one of the front brake pads. So we're gonna have to get new ones, but we do still need to finish this. So then need this. It's an Allen wrench. It's a 6. That fits into the top there so you can hold that while you tighten it up. Kind of sucks, but I guess it's always gonna suck when you're doing front struts. That would probably be better. Come on. bugs, mosquitoes. Fuck this. Alright, that's tight. They say in the instructions to only do it hand tight, I guess. I guess that's enough. But we shall see. Probably will need to be tightened more after these bolts are down. There we have it. My Motorsports have been maximized.